Mike. I'm so glad we could have a night out together just watching one of my favorite movies, Pulp Fiction. So, Mike, what are you thinking about?
Mike, just say something about the movie. Don't say anything about guns. You know this is a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap!
It's a trap!
I enjoyed the movie too. It's a pretty good movie. I love Pulp Fiction. I'm just trying to decide whether Jules' gun is supposed to be a 1911, because it's obviously a Star Model B, which was used in a lot of movies because 1911s had a hard time cycling the blank 45s, and the Stars cycled the 9mm blanks a lot better, so they filled in for 1911s in many movies such as this and The Untouchables. Guns! Guns! That's all you ever think about is guns! How many guns do you own? Do you love those guns more than me? How much money do you spend on guns? Damn it, woman, I wasn't expecting the Spanish Inquisition.
No one expects the Spanish Inquisition.
Welcome to the Millsurf Mike channel. I am unboxing and shooting the Star Model BM that I got from the J&G Black Friday sale that I alerted you to back in November. I believe you can still get these for $199 from AIM, J&G, and Classic if I'm not mistaken. First, a little history. The Star Bonifacio Echeverria, sorry about any mispronunciations, company, has a lineage dating back to the 19th century. Jose Cruz Echeverria made muzzle-loading firearms. His two sons, Julian and Bonifacio, wanted to continue the family tradition. After learning the trade via apprenticeships and working for other companies, Julian, along with his brother Bonifacio, started their own company in 1905, building a pistol that Julian held a patent for. They released what was basically a Mannlicher clone in 1908. Julian left the company in 1912 to start a school of firearms, the first vocational school in Spain. The vocational school concept greatly benefited the area of Eibar, Spain, as it helped develop industry in the area, which has kept Eibar with good employment figures even as industries changed. Bonifacio expanded the company, making the Mannlicher clones with improved ergonomics. The company's big break came with the start of World War I and the French contract for their 1914 pistol, known as the Ruby. Since the company basically bit off more than it could chew, many of the parts and even whole pistols were outsourced. The French inspected the pistols that made it to the soldiers' hands, with the rejects basically making it back to the civilian market. Although the Bonifacio Echeverria pistols were of good quality, and they are marked with the Spanish word for star, its reputation was dogged by poor quality outsourced pistols, and all of the Spanish pistols generally were viewed as cheap knockoffs. After the war, Bonifacio registered the Star name. With the end of the war, the contract for the 1914s were canceled, so Bonifacio decided to start making more commercially viable 1911 knockoffs. Although they chased the rights belonging to FN to make European 1911s, they could not reach an agreement, so they made some changes. Here we come with the Model A, made in various calibers, and the improved Model B. By 1931, a second version of the Model B came out closely resembling the 1911 A1 in appearance, although internally there are some differences, such as the thumb safety disengaging the sear instead of blocking the sear like the 1911. There's also no grip safety on the Star. This pistol remained in production until 1983. The Star Model B made it into many movies as a 1911 imposter, since it was hard early on to make 45 ACP blanks that could cycle the pistol, and the hotter 9mm blanks made shooting look more authentic. A couple famous examples are Elliot Ness's 1911 in the 1986 Kevin Costner version of Untouchables, and Samuel L. Jackson's Jules pistol in Pulp Fiction. There are several variations over the years, including the Star Super and, of course, the Star Model BM, a compact version of which there were over 200,000 made between 1972 and 1992. The BM pistol is making its way in large numbers to the U.S. surplus market right now, hence the currently low prices on it. These are mainly surplus from various Spanish police forces. As I said earlier, I bought mine from J&G Sales, so here's the footage of the unboxing. I got this one from J&G Sales. And see, it came in the original box, which is nice. Well, the box isn't in the great shape, but still the fact that I have the original box for this is pretty cool. Open it up. Got the manual that's all in Spanish, so that won't be of much use to me. Of course, I went ahead and got the option for the extra mag, because these will probably be hard to find in the future. And the pistol. I did not spring for the hand pick. That's obvious right there. But got a big billboard right there, which kind of sucks, and a added-on serial. But still, overall, the pistol looks like it's in good shape, and we'll find out a little more when we shoot it. And of course, we've got a cleaning rod in here. So that's just the quick unboxing, and let's get out and go shooting. This was a fun pistol and accurate pistol to shoot. My only complaint is that I only have 2 magazines. It does feel like a 1911, and since Star's been making these 9mm since the early 1920s, they tend not to have the problems that many 9mm 1911s today have. The pistol is well balanced and hefty since it is all steel. Now, there were a couple versions made out of other alloys, but these are so few, all the ones coming into the country now are all steel. The lack of grip safety does make it seem like there's one less thing to go wrong, and I would have no problem making this a carry pistol if I had the correct holster. And if you need something to carry and only have a couple $100, you could do much worse. Whether you need one or not, I highly recommend you get one now while they are cheap, because this will be an item that will only go up in value, especially if you can receive the original box. If you like what you see, please comment, like, subscribe, and check out my Facebook, Twitter, and who I support on Patreon. Also, stay tuned. I have a special plan for my next video, as it will be my 100th. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.